Welcome to Dr.TWL Pharmacy, a cosmeceutical skincare line specializing in retinol, retinoid-free botanical-based skincare created for sensitive skin. I'm Dr. Teo Wan Lin, board-certified dermatologist and author of published research in top dermatology journals on the skin microbiome. I myself suffer from retinoid allergy, and this is why our formulations do not contain retinoids. I created the mask bar system with our polysaccharide technology, which repairs the skin barrier inside out. It is a novel powder-to-gel formula that is 100% preservative-free with pure botanical actives only that target pigmentation, acne, and sensitive skin, that also treats skin while respecting the skin barrier.